Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Here on my channel, I do planner and planner related videos with the occasional new release video of items that I've listed to my Etsy shop. And if that is of interest to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you hit that little notification bell, you'll always be notified of when I do load a new video. And if you could also comment, like, and share, that would be amazing. So this is Nichi Saturday, and that was a hashtag started by Jasmine Silver and Miranda of Thinking of a Master Plan, or Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, here on YouTube. And as I do with all of my Nichi Saturday videos, they will be listed below with links to their channels. I wanted to do this in a 10-minute challenge. I'm not doing a 5-sticker challenge because, as the last few ones, I did not prep names. So we're just going to do a 10-minute challenge just because, you know, we like to do challenges around here, even the ones that cause us major stress. Now, this is one of the layouts that I did, and I will link that playlist below. I'm not such a huge fan of this layout. I think I would have preferred it if they weren't crooked, but that's something I'll have to take up with the previous Johanna, because the current Johanna, yeah, she's not that thrilled. But we're gonna work with it. So this is for June 24th through 30th. And let me take that out. Now, as I've been doing, this is actually, when I'm filming this, Friday the 14th. So we actually haven't even gotten into this week yet, but that video was just loaded. So you'll be able to check that one out. Let me get this out of the way. And this is my DIY half sheet, Happynichi, Fauxbonichi, all the nichis that I keep as my pretty much all-in-one planner. The only thing I don't do in here mostly is my budget planning, although there is some budget planning in here, but I'll talk about that on another day. But we'll do this here. And this beautiful sticker book was gifted to me by Tameka of Pastries, Pumps, and Pie, and I will link her channel below. I love the Farmhouse Stickerbook, and even though this is giving me an 80s vibes, I'm hoping we can make this more elegant with this here, because I suppose I could use like a rainbow, although I don't think I have a rainbow, but something super colorful and just completely work the 80s vibe. But I think instead we will try to make it classy and see if that can even be a thing. And I am already regretting the 10-minute challenge thing, but if you're not stressing, you're not living. At least on this channel. So, we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. And again, because of the lights, there's probably a crazy glare, but there is 10 minutes on the clock. We're going to shoot for that. Fingers crossed, guys, and here we go. Yep. I don't know what it is with me and stickers, but sometimes they just do not want to lift. That's cute. I'm really hoping you guys can see this. And I don't know about you, but one of my pet peeves is when stickers stick. And I know it's dumb because that's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to stick. But when stickers stick to the scissors, that just annoys me to no end. Especially when they're tiny little pieces. Yeah. All right, so we're doing pretty good. I probably just botched myself, which is jinx in English, I think. But let's just do all the florals. Oh, I am loving that, guys. I am loving that. It's the same, yeah, it's the same thing. So let's just use all the stickers since we're not doing the 5 sticker challenge. And if you wondered, it's easier to see if you flip it over than if you cut it from the front. At least that's what I found. And I think, yep, that was dumb. My stickers are sticking together. I just want you guys to know I am swearing like a sailor in my head. We don't have time. So we're going to say that we meant to layer our stickers on our scissors because we are efficient with our time. That was totally on purpose. All right, so let's put a little leaf right there. We definitely need something down here. I think we can bring in some more of this blue down here. Take the sticker off. I want to make sure I do it the right way because that would totally suck if I put the days of the week in the wrong spot. And let's put this little pink piece right in the middle. Make it look like we meant it to be that way. That's not bad, guys. That's not bad. And so let's do some surgery. We'll do that there. That's gonna bother me. And we'll do this. Here. Oh, look at that, guys. This could actually be one of those things you see on Instagram, like, oh, she's got talent. And I don't know that's something I've ever thought about myself before. Yeah. I mean, we're not done. I still have opportunity to mess this up, but I'm just saying. Okay, that's horrible. That's horrible. Throw that away, pretend it didn't happen. We've got 5 minutes left. I think we can add a few more of these. I probably should add some functional stickers. All right, that's cute. And let's put some greenery here. I don't mind these boxes. Oh, guys. All right, so we need, or I want something for the days of the week. And do we have something little here? Live in love. Yes, that's crooked. It's hilarious. I kind of wish there was because these are, they're not transparent, but they're on slick paper, so you can't really write on them. But I kind of wish they were. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes! So my color scheme just went through the window. But raise your hand if you care. I don't see any hands, guys, so we must be good. Yes. Oh. Okay. All right. And one there. And, oh, and we had one to spare. Look at that. That's some non-planning if I've ever seen it. We could find something there and maybe even still have Live Simply. Is that going to fit? All right, let's see if we can move this crooked sticker over here. Okay, love is straight, but live in is crooked. I'm not sure which one's supposed to be crooked. Okay. And Live Simply. Oh. Let's move this one a little. Don't rip the paper sticker. Move that up. And then we'll make it like we always meant to do this. Oh, wow, yes. Oh. And, okay, I was gonna put a coffee cup on each day because I drink coffee every day. I think that'll be too much. I mean, we're already kind of there, but I mean, that'll be too much, and we don't want too much. So this is Monday, the 24th, Tuesday, 25th, Wednesday, the 26th, Thursday, the 27th, Friday, the 28th, Sunday, the 29th. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. You know what? Guys, we were saved. Wait. Remember when I said we had that one? Right? You saw it. Yay! Okay. That goes there. Saturday, the 29th. Sunday, the 30th. Wait, turn off. No. Wait, cancel. Guys, if you have not done a 10-minute challenge, I highly recommend it. Not because it's fun. Well, it's fun. I mean, it's not, but it is. But if you need something to focus you, nothing does it like having a clock next to you that's just sort of mocking you. But yes, look at this, guys. Look at it. I'm not sure that the rose gold goes with this bright floral, but I mean, if Happy Planner and Farmhouse thought that it went because it's in the same sticker book, then who am I to judge? Although, I'm gonna fix this. I think the love should be crooked and the live-in should be straight, right? That makes sense. So, live in love. I am so pleased with this. You don't even know. Well, maybe you do know because you can hear me. But I do want to make one correction though, guys. If you're still here, it's 10 min. It's ish. Let's go with ish. So I want to move, and I think it was Tamara. I'm pretty sure it was Tamara from the Paper and Pen Girl. She did something the other week where she did after the video kind of thing, where she actually went in and she made some corrections because there was just some things that she saw that she wanted to change, but she didn't do during the actual video. See, now that seems too small. All right, 10 minutes-ish, 10 minutes-ish. Put that there. And we'll put that there. Okay, now that seems better. I mean, that's in the same spot. We're not going to focus on that. Stickers are happy. Johanna is happy. I hope you guys are happy and having a lovely day. This is for Nichi, Saturday of June 24th through the 30th. We are in the last week of June. And guys, thank you so much for following me on this journey. And as always, aloha.